Hearing about the Modi at Wembley event, one Jason, Kanika Kapoor, one of the biggest names that will be performing on stage today, is with us right now. Kanika, a lot of enthusiasm. You know, I heard some of the rehearsals, their tech rehearsals, sounding magnificent with that background, and I think whatever we heard, we're impressed. So what are we expecting from you tonight?
Well, I have three different acts today. One is, of course, doing one of my songs. Then we have a great medley, like a mashup of my work, and then I have the song that we prepared, Hello Namaste, for Mr. Modi, and we end with the national anthem.
A lot has been spoken about the song that you've composed for the Prime Minister, Hello Namaste. Tell us more about that number.
Well, the song is it talks about the relationship between India and Mr. Modi coming to the UK. So it's about two countries and how we're working together and how, you know, there's a great future between the two countries.
Yeah, and
we're giving a cheering to it, basically.
Right. Have you performed to a crowd like this at the Wembley?
No. It's my first time, so I'm a little bit nervous.
Okay, so this particular event, it's called Two Great Nations, One Glorious Future. What does this event mean to the Indian community in the UK?
Of course, I mean, the kind of cultural ties we have with India, the very, very old ties we have between the two countries, and it's great that after so many years we have a Prime Minister who's come to the country, and it's kind of bringing the relationship becoming stronger. It's making it stronger.
I've seen the enthusiasm among the organizers, 490 groups, 690 performers, over 60,000 people, but the Indian community I've seen have been so excited about this event. What does the Prime Minister, the leader that he is, Prime Minister Modi, what do they see in him? And maybe you can give us an idea about why an event of this scale is being held in the first place.
Well, it's because, like I said, we want to strengthen the ties between the two countries. As you can see that some of the majority of British Indians and Indians have, they've been very successful out of the UK. And it's just basically making the two countries come together and have stronger ties.
Yeah, 1.7 million Indians, and you can't really ignore the influence of this community. But before I let you go, I know you're in a hurry. You will have to go perform in a few hours from now. I want you to perform a bit of Hello Namaste for our viewers of Times Now.
Mile Hindustani English love, big celebration English ho, Chalo Namaste, shake hand ho.
Amazing. Kanika, all the very best for tonight, and for all our viewers, do you have a message for them?
Thank you so much for supporting me, and I'm very thankful for you supporting my music and everything. Thank you so much.
All the very best. We look forward to that event. Thank you, Kanika.